Get ready for an inspiring journey as we dive into the world of community transformation. Pulling Together is more than just a book. It's a movement that's coming to Greenco, and you won't want to miss it. The fall tour of Wisconsin is set to showcase the incredible work of Jeff Yost from the Nebraska Community Foundation, NCF, along with the co-authors of this groundbreaking book, Mike Breininger and Tom Mosgaller. These individuals have dedicated their lives to making communities thrive, and now they're sharing their wisdom with us. Pulling Together is a testament to the power of collaboration. Breininger, a conservative evangelical pastor from Richland Center, and Mosgaller, a progressive community builder from Verona, have joined forces to create a handbook for change. It's a collection of real-life stories and practical lessons, all aimed at empowering aspiring community members to create positive impact. But here's where it gets controversial. These two authors, with their differing backgrounds, have found common ground in their vision for stronger communities. They believe that love, trust, and relationships are the keys to overcoming polarization. It's a bold statement, and one that will surely spark some interesting discussions. The book is filled with inspiring tales of community revitalization. Take, for example, the remarkable story of Red Cloud, Nebraska. Under the leadership of Jeff Yost, Red Cloud transformed from a struggling rural community into a thriving example of what can be achieved when people pull together. And this is the part most people miss. The Nebraska Community Foundation, led by Yost, has become a global model for community collaboration. It's a network of over 270 communities, showcasing how economic, social, and philanthropic leaders can work hand in hand. Mosgaller describes it as an excellent example of pulling together, a bottom-up, community-led approach that proves we can all do better when we work together. The Pulling Together Wisconsin tour, taking place from October 8th to 17th, will bring these powerful stories and tools to Greene County. It's an opportunity to learn, connect, and be inspired. So, are you ready to be a part of this movement? Mark your calendars for the keynote breakfast on October 10th, where you can hear from Jeff Yost himself. And don't forget to join the online book review on October 2nd to dive deeper into the impact of pulling together. Remember, this event is brought to you by Greene County Development Corporation, the Community Foundation of Southern Wisconsin, and UW Extension Greene County. For more details and to register, visit pullingtogether.com or reach out to gcdc@greencountydevelopment.com.